Hi and welcome to this SCILL Unity SDK Quickstart tutorial. In this tutorial we'll take a look at how to visualize the personal challenges using the already provided prefabs, and also how to send events from your project to the SCILL backend. Let's actually visualize our challenges. Select the prefabs and style 1 and then drop in the personal challenges canvas. And let's take a look at that. Okay. And let's just hit play. And ta-da, there's your challenge. So to actually interact with it, don't forget to add an event system into your scene. And now that we've added the event system, let's just take a quick look. Now we can actually interact with the challenges and also unlock and activate them. Perfect. But actually I don't think this is too visually pleasing. So let's try and add some, or load up some icons. For this, we're going to use the icon we've set previously in the admin panel. So if we take a look at this again, personal challenges, and then check out what the challenge icon was called, daily kills. So this name will be used to automatically load a sprite from a resources folder in your Unity assets. So let's create a resources folder right here and select a sample sprite from our samples that are given here. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Maybe this pistol gun will work quite nicely. Let's copy it over to our own resources folder and rename it to daily kills. This should actually be enough. Let's try it. And ta-da, it will automatically load the sprite from the resources folder. Great. But we're still not yet actually interacting with the entire system. So let's set up how to actually send events to the SCILL backend. For this, we need to create a script. So let's add a folder called scripts. And inside that, let's create a new C# script. Event tests. Okay. So my plan for now is to use, or actually when pressing the E button, the E key code, I want to send an event to the SCILL backend, informing it that the player has actually killed an enemy. For anybody wondering, the IDE I'm using is the Rider IDE by JetBrains, which is very similar to Visual Studio, but just provides a few more Unity integrations, which I really enjoy. But don't worry, the code I'm writing is going to be exactly the same as you'd enter into Visual Studio or any other kind of IDE you might be using. So let's continue. So when we press E, we want to send the event. First of all, we need some metadata for the event. So the required option would actually be the amount of kills that a player has performed. So be sure to actually include the skill.model in your script, and then create a new event metadata object and set the amount to 1. Okay, this would also be the place where you could, for example, set the event or the enemy type. So to stay with our previous example, if you want to set the enemy type to robot, we could do this here. So if you want to send an event of an enemy being killed, you could just add the script to your robot object and then send an event to the SCILL backend every time a robot is killed, for example. But for now, we don't need this. And in the second step, we'll use the SCILL manager .instance.send event async. And first of all, the event name is going to be our kill enemy event. The second parameter is the event type. Like explained previously, we want it to be set to single because we want to adjust the progress incrementally. And we want to add the metadata. And that's basically it. That's all you need to send any kind of event to the SCILL backend. Perfect. Let's create a new object called SCILL events. Event tests, let's add it. And then every time I press the E button, the display is also going to be automatically updated. Great. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll use the basic setup we've introduced in the last few videos to create a leaderboard for our sample app. Thanks for watching and see you next time.